have. In Gauteng province, we've got 8 members of the provincial legislature. In Mpumalanga, we had the official opposition as Umkhonto weSizwe. So we are present and this is an organization which, when the elections took place on the 29th of May 2024, was barely 6 months old. So that is a formidable achievement which we get to intensify, and it's going to be realized is the task which all of us have got to do. And then there's a question now that then deals with the accreditation for the main event here. We can assure you, all members of the media, that we're going to have smooth accreditation for all media houses and role players. So we're going to announce the dates for the accreditation process, and it will be done prior to the actual event taking place. So we'll issue out the RSVP as to where do you respond, and it will be accreditation, yes, of media. Yesterday we're finalizing that there will be accreditation for those who are going to be trading or selling different things here on the precincts of the stadium. So we're going to issue out the contact details of those who want to come and do vending of different products, whether be it food or regalia or whatever they think is relevant for the people who are going to attend. We're going to accredit those thoroughly as well. And we're going to accredit thoroughly those who would have bought the hospitality suites. There won't be any confusion in terms of what happens. We're going to have a neat, clean, proper rally. There won't be any mistakes that we're going to commit. That is the nature of how the organization is going to be. So there won't be mistakes, there won't be delays on any issue. Everything else is going to be run thorough. Transport is going to be availed for all the 111 wards of eThekwini, for all the 901 wards of KwaZulu-Natal. And then we will, if resources permit, we will see if we will be able to transport other provinces. But if we do that, Moses Mabhida Stadium will be too small for Umkhonto weSizwe. So that is basically where we are. So the purpose of the rally is to communicate a simple message that Umkhonto weSizwe is not a temporary project. It's a revolutionary movement which seeks to unite all the oppressed masses of our people. We've been fighting in different corners for a very long time. Let's now come together and fight against colonialism. Let us fight for total decolonization. Let's take the struggle to another level to liberate a majority of our people. And we believe that the rally and all the programs and activities that we're going to